Did you miss our science to go and zoom? No problem. With your supplies, make sure you glue the flat part of the cap on top of one end of a stick. Let it dry. Then another stick underneath, rubber bands the opposite end of the cap. You'll see it can create kind of like a Pac-Man, with one end being open and the other end being tight. With the remaining sticks, there should be 8 of them, put a rubber band on one end and stretch it and wrap it around. Twist, wrap until it's nice and tight on the end. And a second rubber band on the other end of the stack of 8 craft sticks. You'll then open up, I guess you could call it the mouth of the bottle cap, and slide in the stack, creating kind of like an X or a T. Then with your remaining rubber bands, on one end, slide it down, twist it to create an X, and put the other end on the other side. It might be a little loose, so you'll want to twist it to make it tight. And there you have it. There is our catapult. Originally made in medieval and ancient times to launch rocks at enemies, but here you go, launch it.
So long as the cap is dry, all systems are a go. Put your marshmallow in and launch. Awesome. And if you are able to do it outside or have a long hallway, it's a lot of fun too. You can go zoom right across. Perhaps you'll set up a target or put a cup at the end of the hallway or wherever you're standing and try to shoot it into the cup or at the target. Have fun. Marshmallow Catapult.